Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to execute a basic hello world program in Python. So for that we need to have Python 3.8 or Python 3 plus version, and I'm using Ubuntu, and we might also require any editor. For this purpose I'm using ideally Python's editor. So for that we can check the version of Python what we are using in the terminal like this: Python hyphen version. You should wait for that, but it says that Python is not installed, but actually it will be as Python 3, which means that Python 2 was actually default version earlier, so now Python 3 is the default one. So we can link this Python to the bin directory to point to Python 3.8.2. that's not a problem. So now let's open the IDE. So I'm going to open an editor for hello world. Alright, here we go. I will make it larger. So in Python, so we are going to write a basic hello world. In Python we have comments starting with hash. This is a basic hello world program. So we need to print that one. So this write print. So I'm going to write hello world. Since hello world is a string, I'm going to put it in double quotes. That's it. No need of semicolon, because in Python end of line is treated as semicolon itself. So now I'm going to save this one. So it's saved now. Go to terminal, Python 3, and just type h. You will get this one and execute it. Here you go. It prints hello world. Thank you. I'll come up with some new video in the next video. Bye.